Good morning everyone, welcome again to my kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to make peanut butter cookies. This is a low carb keto peanut butter cookies. So let's get started. Before that, for keto lovers, we are bringing a lot of videos for you, for your recipe and your dietary needs. And please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get the notifications and you never miss a video. Alright, let's get started. For that I have the ingredients ready. It's just 3 ingredients and of course some optional ones as well. Alright, let's get back to our ingredients. Over here I have peanut butter. This is organic peanut butter and the rest is just peanuts and salt. And over here I have the organic brown egg, 1 egg. And of course our stevia for sweetener. You can either use honey or truvia, any kind of sweetener of your choice. And you can also use vanilla, but I am using grounded cinnamon over here, and this is a Kirkland brand that I am using from Costco over here. And all it has is a cinnamon powder. And I have my bowl ready and I'm going to crack my egg. And then I'm just going to add the peanut butter. There you go. We can add it as we go. I'm just going to use a hand blender over here and blend it nicely because the peanut butter needs a good blending here for us to have a smoothie cream. There you go. Okay, as you can see, this is the consistency that you need. It needs to be thick like a dough. Now I'm going to go ahead and add our sugar, which is the stevia, the natural sweetener over here. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You can also add 1 teaspoon of organic vanilla if you like, but I like cinnamon in my peanut butter cookie. And now I'm just going to mix it well. You don't need to hand blend, but you can do it with your hands. Mix it well. There you go. And this is the consistency that you need. So it has to be like be able to roll like a ball like this. And I have my parchment paper over here and I have greased it with coconut oil. I'm just going to take a round ball like this and then I'm just going to put it in and I'm just going to place the whole thing and I will show you how to make your impression. And I'm just going to take a fork like that and show how I'm going to do it. Let's press it and then I'm going to go like a, so you may want to do like a horizontal and vertical. Like that, and then you want to go like that, so it comes like a very good biscuit kind of impression over here. You can also use a potato masher. Sometimes that is very good for this recipe, but I don't have that, so I'm using my fork, back of my fork. Such an easy recipe with just 3 ingredients. And the oil that I use today is coconut oil for greasing my parchment paper. And voila, it's almost ready. Also mix it with the almond butter to make it 1 full cup, or you can do like a 1 full cup of peanut butter. And I have made this batch and I still have more over here. So I'm just going to put it in the oven for 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes and I'll show you how it's done. I'll be back. Our peanut butter cookies are ready and this is definitely low carb, guys, and look at the way it is so yummy. I'm just going to break it and show you how it looks on the inside. It is very spongy on the inside but crispy on the outside. I just can't wait to taste it and I hope you too, and I'll see you in the next video. And the last thing is, if you have any requests to make new videos, please do post it under the YouTube comments and I'll be coming back with more recipes that your family loves. See you in the next video.